Hi and welcome to a new video. I'm going to unbox this 100 amp-hour tubular lead acid battery today. As I described in my previous video regarding suitable batteries for off-grid home solar systems, these batteries have a safe depth of discharge of up to 50%. That means through this 100 amp-hour battery I can get 50 amp-hours at 12 volts safely without reducing the battery's lifespan. This battery here is of the brand Power, which is manufactured in India. As you can see here, they have specified the date of manufacturing. Let's open the box and see. As you can see, the packing is pretty good. And here are the battery water indicators. There are 6 indicators in this battery. The green mark on the indicator shows the full level, and the red mark shows that the water level is low. Okay, so here is the petroleum jelly packet which should be applied to the battery terminals to prevent oxide formation. Here is a packet of nuts and bolts for the connections to the battery terminals, and the negative and positive terminals are on this side of the battery. So these battery acid caps, which have air vents, come with the battery to prevent spillage of the battery acid. So let's remove one cap and place a water level indicator on it. Here's the battery out of the box. Let's take off the caps of the battery terminals and unscrew the lids of the water caps as well. So all 6 water level indicators should be fixed and screwed tightly on. Make sure that the water level is full in all of them. And now we are ready to set up the wires and start using the battery now. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and want to see all the new content, please subscribe to my channel, Solar Energy. Thank you.